The next part of the subjunctive that we're going to look at deals with impersonal expressions. There are a bunch of impersonal expressions. Some of these you'll pick up on rather quickly because they're quite simple. Others you may need to highlight, learn, practice a little bit more. Alright, taking a look at impersonal expressions. We've got a couple different columns. I'll just go ahead and pull this down so you can take a look. I'm going to go ahead and start over here on the left-hand side with es bueno que, it's good that. Es malo que, it's bad that. And you should go ahead and write these down so you have these. You can use these. All of these, of course, then will be followed up with a subjunctive. Es mejor que, it's better that. Es necesario que, it's necessary that. Es indispensable que, it's indispensable that. Es importante que, it's important that. Es preciso que, it's precise that. Es una lástima que, it's a shame that, or it's too bad that. Notice there's an accent on lástima. Es escandaloso que, it's shocking or scandalous that. Vale la pena que, it's worth the wait that. Es agradable que, it's nice that. Es justo que, it's fair that. Es absurdo que, it's absurd that. Es ridículo que, it's ridiculous that. Es raro que, it's odd or strange that. Es sorprendente que, it's surprising that. All of these will be followed up with a subjunctive. Going ahead, pause if you need to, go back, make sure you've got definitions, you've got these, you know what these phrases are and can recognize them with impersonal expressions. On the next slide, of course, following up these impersonal expressions, you'll find that the subjunctive will be used. These can be kind of an implied command. Es necesario que estudies. It's necessary that you study. Just an opinion, same idea, or judgment. But you do need to pay attention because sometimes they can be followed by an infinitive when they're not talking about anyone. If you take a look at these examples here. Es importante trabajar. Well, in general, it's important to work. However, when we pick up the subjunctive, the second example, es importante que trabajes. It's important that you work. That could be my opinion. Alright. Lastly then, taking a look, let's try a few translations. Try these on your own. It's necessary that I speak Spanish well. It is not good that you are in a bad mood. It is too bad that they are not going to Spain. Go ahead, pause the video, take your impersonal expressions, put it together with your subjunctive. See how you come out. How did you do? Let's take a look. It's necessary that I speak Spanish well. Es necesario que hable español bien. Taking a look, you start with your impersonal expression. Of course, we have que, our new subject, I speak. Hable español bien. The rest of the sentence. Now, of course, there is our uncertainty with the sentence. Therefore, we've got our subjunctive. It is not good that you are in a bad mood. No es bueno que estés de mal humor. Starting with your impersonal expression, no es bueno que. And then picking up your subjunctive, estés, the rest of the sentence. In a bad mood, de mal humor. Es una lástima que no vayan a España. It's too bad that they are not going, no vayan, and finishing up with a España. We'll be trying these on some assignments through the packet. If you have questions, bring them back to class. Pretty simple, straightforward. Lots of expressions to put with our subjunctive.